Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Live Reviewed. My name is Dave and I hope you guys are doing alright. So today we are here with another unboxing video. So this here is the Intellilens Square Anti-Glare eye production. As all of you know that these days due to constantly staring at our mobile screen and PC screens, we have our eyes get stressed out, and the blue light that does a lot of harm and that results in lost sleep and many such problems. So something similar I have been facing for the past few months, I would say. So I decided to get something clinically proven. So this is what I decided to get. I got it from Amazon for around 799, but this A1 is highly rated and I have heard good things about it. So let me tell you a little bit about that. This is zero power, of course. I don't have power. This is crash resistant. This is anti-static, anti-glare, and this is made of hydrophobic material. So that means that it won't get wet easily, basically. So this has blue cut lens which blocks harmful blue light from phones and computer screens, and the filtration rate is 95% filtration for blue light, and also this is 100% UV light filtration. Also this is said to be clinically proven. I'm not sure. So that's what it says. Blue light protection, 100% UV, relieve eye strain, suitable for all digital screens, harmful smartphone rays. So this side, product code blah blah blah, made in India, yes, and the MRP is listed at 2,999. So that's yeah, you can get it for 799. So of course, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. So we get a case, not metal, plastic, and inside we have the glasses, the cleaning cloth, quite soft, some booklets, brand authenticity card. 6-month warranty this has. Okay, brand authenticity card, another one. Okay, so what's that? Are you feeling eye strain? We can help, etc, etc. Little booklet, blue light sucks. Yes, it does. Can blue light, you get it, like some sort of a user manual. So let's see the main item. It's quite light, actually. It's quite light. Nicely packed. Very thin, very light, I have to say. If you wear this, you won't even realize that you have this on. It has some sort of coating there. There is some green reflection. I can see that. It's very lightweight, very lightweight. And this is not glass. They say this is some resin, very hard resin. So basically it's made of plastic, but I think it's good. There's not that much distortion, very less distortion, I would say. So yeah, I will use it. And this is spring also. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I will use this for a few days and I will see if this works or not, and also let you know. Do put in the comments if there is any specific question regarding that, regarding this, that you want to know. And I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, guys. Bye bye.